Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the Port Royal Street revampment project. The project is about 99% finished and it's a very nice project. The project was to fix up Port Royal Street and also reinforce the harbour walls. So let's take a look at the progress. Now the government is trying to fix up the downtown area, bring back a lot of businesses to the area. So they gave tax benefits to companies that move their head office down to downtown Kingston. So now this is Port Royal Street. As you can see, it's very nicely done. The government did an excellent job with this project. It's 6 lanes and this is one of the main entrances to the downtown Kingston area. And it also, if you're coming from the airport and going to downtown Kingston, this is the road you would take. On the left is the Tower Street Correctional Facility, or I think they just call it GP, General Penitentiary. It's a prison. And we're in central Kingston, which is this is actually the Raytown area. And Port Royal Street runs through here. Okay, so we're just going to make a U-turn and check out some more of the area that was recently renovated. Yeah, so the government is trying to get businesses to move back to downtown Kingston. So this kind of infrastructure that they're putting in, fixing the road, is a very good move. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs recently moved downtown. They have a new building, very nice building. The building is actually on Port Royal Street. We'll see it in a little bit. And Digicel also moved their head office downtown. Grace Kennedy has their head office downtown. So the government is doing a very good job. Okay, so this is the Raytown area. On the left is the Raytown Fishing Beach, and it's a very popular area for buying fish and those kind of things. So this revampment project included building a boardwalk, included building parking facilities where people can park and go on fishing. And this is the parking facility here, and they can walk on the boardwalk. This boardwalk was similar to the one built on the Palisades Strip. There you can see the Kingston Harbour, 7th largest natural harbour in the world. You can see with 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ships in the harbour, very nice. And here you can see they reinforced the walls, the sea walls. So very nicely done. Yeah, so they want people to, that's the boardwalk right there. They built one on the Palisades Strip and persons jog and walk and go fishing, very popular. So they're hoping that the same thing will happen here. And they built like a wall, they put in the plants. Where you see those white poles sticking out of the ground, that's where they're going to put the street lamps. And I think that's the only thing left for the project to be finished. Also, there was some talk about moving the prison, although no dates have been identified yet. But the government is planning to move the prison to a new facility, and they said it's going to cost $8 billion to do so, but they didn't give any specific timeline. Now the Kingston Harbour is a natural harbour, the 7th largest natural harbour in the world. So the water in the harbour is very calm. So you find that this is the best place to build a dock or a port, so that it's the best place for the loading and unloading of cargo and those things. So you have quite a few docks or harbors along the port, and the main one is the Kingston Container Terminal, which is the largest port in Jamaica. Okay, so straight ahead, that building right in front, the sun is kind of giving a problem, is the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade building. Very nice building overlooking the Kingston Harbour. It's actually on Port Royal Street. And this is the kind of progress you like to see for Jamaica. And this is every government ministry in Jamaica should have a building like this. Very nicely done, and it's very expensive to build, yes, but over the long run, when you don't have to be paying rent and those kind of things for a building, say in New Kingston, where the rent is very expensive, it's better to have the ministry in one building. It also cuts down on a lot of other costs. So hopefully one day every ministry, especially the Ministry of Finance, they should have a building similar to that somewhere in downtown Kingston. Actually, like you have the Bank of Jamaica building. Why do they need such a big building? I don't know. The Ministry of Finance should be over there. Alright, so we're now passing over East Street. And we're still on Port Royal Street, however, this part of the road was not renovated. Hopefully it will be renovated soon. So you have the nice roads going all the way to back to Marcus Garvey Drive. Okay, so we're now on Duke Street. And this is more of a the commercial part of downtown Kingston. Commercial meaning you have more office spaces like banks, insurance companies. You're not going to find a lot of haberdasheries or wholesale stores on this side of downtown Kingston. You find them mostly on like Princess Street, King Street. You find more of the retail outlets. The left is the NCB Bank, and the right is BCIC. Of course, anywhere you have business places, you're going to find a FedEx, the Electoral Office of Jamaica on the left, Don Cox, which is a law firm, on the right. And you find a lot of, well, this is actually Law Street. The RGD has an office there on the right. Garden House is on the, we haven't come to it yet, but it's on Duke Street. Straight ahead where you see that black man on the left, that's Garden House, and that's where the Parliament of Jamaica meets. It's the George William Garden House. That's the official name, but that's where the Parliament of Jamaica meets. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.